Hey guys, so I'm continuing the second video in this series on how to get to different plane spotting areas in Hong Kong. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to get to Haeco plane spotting area, as well as some other spots that are along the way. So Haeco is the aircraft maintenance hangar in Hong Kong, and it is also able to be accessed by a bus or a taxi if you're willing to spend a bit more money. If you want to go to Haeco to go plane spotting, the best time to do it is during the months June and July, when it's most clear and most sunny, and when there are runway 25 left departures. However, keep in mind that if there's 25 left departures and you're at Haeco, make sure that you're coming there in the afternoon, as in the morning it'll be very backlit. So another reason to go to Haeco is if it's very clear in the morning, and there's 07 left and 07 right arrivals, then you get some good clear photos of them. However, keep in mind that if you want to take photos of 07 left arrivals, that you'll need a considerably long lens, as they're pretty far away. So there's also some other spots on the way to Haeco which are good for spotting, and I'll be pointing them out further along in the video. So getting to Haeco, there are two options. The first option is to go via Tung Chung and take the S52 bus from the bus terminal, which is the way I'll be showing you today. And the second option is to take the taxi there. However, this may increase the cost quite a lot, as it's a fairly short trip. So, arriving at Tung Chung, you will want to take your way to the main bus terminal and look for the bus stop S52. This stop is also accompanied by the bus S52A, S52P, and S52X. However, we are only interested in the bus S52, which will take you to the aircraft maintenance area, and I'll be putting the link to the timetables below. So the bus will cost 4 Hong Kong dollars for regular adults and 2 Hong Kong dollars for an elderly or child. The bus ride will also take a total of 15 minutes and goes past a couple of different stops. So, approaching the government flying service bus stop, it will bring us to the first spot on the route. This spot is for the 25 left departures, and it's best spotted during the morning when there's no backlight. So from getting off the bus, you want to cross the street and walk down towards the end of the runway for about 50 meters, and you'll be able to set up there and have good shots such as these. Now we're approaching Haeco plane spotting area on the left. The S52 bus does not stop exactly on this spot, but goes a bit further along the route to park outside the actual Haeco facility. So in order to get to this spot, you want to deboard the bus and backtrack down this area so that you can situate yourself anywhere on these rocks. Also, make sure to bring some food and drinks, as there's no available stores or facilities to the general public here, as well as no bathrooms. order to go back to Tung Chung, you simply just have to board the bus the same place that you disembarked from it. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on how to get to Haeco plane spotting area, and I just hope that you found it useful. So now please enjoy the sunset time-lapse on the bus going back to Tung Chung.
A wish right now.